For this look, I will be using this e.l.f. mini set, mini melt. Mainly this dark brown because I just want to do like a little straight eyeliner and go in with a dark lipstick because since the backdrop is gonna be like book paper, I want it to be like dark academia-ish makeup. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna use the same products that I always use. I'll put them in the description box. Let's get started. This is a look for third day, which is book wallpaper backdrop. I already did the backdrop last night, so right now I just need to go take the pictures and change clothes. I don't know. I have some black press-on nails, but I don't know if I should put them on because I don't want to damage my nails, but at the same time, I don't want to see these nails anymore. It's raining today. It hasn't rained in so long, and when it does, it rains at night when I'm asleep, and I hate it, but I like being awake and seeing the rain and hearing it, so I hope you enjoyed that ASMR of me putting on mascara while the rain in the background. Yeah, I'm gonna take a few minutes to enjoy the view, and then I'll get back to it. But I hope you liked this makeup. I have this palette. I've had this palette for so long, but I just love it because it's like a highlight palette for me. Look at all the shimmers. I just love it. I know Too Faced isn't like, but it was a birthday gift, so I'm not gonna throw it away, and it's really good. So yeah. yeah, I'll be right back.